Hey guys, Danny Johnson here. Today we're going to be learning about the CCRM or Constant Control Relay Module. So I'll show you how to access it here underneath the fender and talk a little bit about what it does. Next, for the wheel liner, you're going to take out this screw that's found right here, just cross point. Once that one's out, then you can just push that liner and go along the whole way, so you're just pushing it out. And you can get away with just doing the front part of the liner. Next, from inside the bumper, so with the fender lining removed, now you can access the CCRM, or the Constant Control Relay Module. Now this is not necessary to take the fender off, we just have the fender off so you can see it here, but that's where it is and that's how you can get to it. So what does the CCRM, or Constant Control Relay Module, actually do? Well, inside you'll find several different relays to the fuel system, the low-speed cooling fan, the high-speed cooling fan, the actual computer to the car, and then the AC unit, a relay for that to turn on your air conditioning. And so if you're having any of problems with those things, or if the car's not idling right, it's not running right, it doesn't run at all, won't start, it can potentially be something inside of this CCRM. So if you've tried several other things and cannot figure out what's wrong, this is a place to look. However, from what I've heard, these relays are not as easily removable as the other ones in the car that you might find, like for the horn, where these ones are actually soldered in, and basically you may need a whole new unit if something here fails. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any experience with this, if you've ever had one fail, if you had to replace one, and as always, thanks for watching.